I can see it, bro.
All on his face, right? That sounded kind of weird.
So you came out the closet?
No.
You just finally. Oh.
No, look. No, it's not like that. Look, just follow me on Instagram. That's it. You know, simple as that.
Oh yeah, he's gay. Don't worry about it.
Oh no! He said, "Who lost their kid?" I am weak. Oh my god.
Hold this camera.
That was good. Holy crap. The man himself. He's so tired.
Damn, let me see that post again.
That shit had me weak.
So I finally shaved. Look. Who lost?
Oh, weak.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, brother?
You brought a cooler for us or what?
Yeah.
Sandwich?
Water.
Ah, damn it. I thought it was sandwich, bro. I'm hungry. Look, I'm just kidding. I'm always hungry, bro. Nice.
Because he draws, and I also draw.
Bro, that dude's like, he's really good.
I actually stumbled upon him.
Oh yeah, you did last year.
Yeah, no, what was it?
I can't remember what it's called, but I remember Dustin William went to the show.
Yeah, it was Tuna Tokyo.
There we go.
I went to Tuna Tokyo and I met Lemonade. And I talked to Kaz. That was definitely the person that was pretty cool. Because Kaz, like, he was giving me tips and stuff. He's like, just do things that are out of the box. Like, if you're not used to them, just do them.
To be honest, I told you. Hanging out the car.
That's definitely something not used to.
He was like, Yoshi, you sure about this? I was like, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Let's do it.
They post stuff.
Yeah.
You know, they're all like right at you. You know what I mean? Because you've been doing like off the ground lately.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Like when they're doing like things on the ground.
Okay.
Just everything like when you're asking somebody like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to get used to it. I'm trying to get used to it, bro. Because I remember I was like this on the ground and everything.
Right, exactly. That's what I'm
saying.
saying. Like just the way they're vlogging.
Yeah.
Watch the way that they vlog.
Got it.
Which is good that they.
You get to see it.
You can see what you're talking about.
What they're seeing, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let me drive the boat. No way.
Yeah. We're about the same height, so.
No way. Hell yeah, bro.
Drive the what?
I'm gonna drive the boat.
What boat?
He doesn't get the joke. Look, Bernie, look. Buddy, when you mean drive the boat means I drive his car.
Let me drive the boat.
Sorry, dude. I'm not young like you guys.
No, you're still young. Look. Look.
Boat is a boat. All right? That don't make sense.
All right, for sure, bro. Wait, what the fuck? Why is this shit so? I'm just gonna go. There we go. That's it. You good, bro? We're the same height. You said. Fucking hell. Fuck! Fuck! If you're watching this, I fucked up. Shit. All right. He said flip the bitch, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna flip this bitch. That's good. You supposed to?
Can't you adjust it?
Yeah, technically.
You sure you put 87, bro? Because the only light on is 91.
Don't look at that. 87.
Smoking. I don't know what you're smoking, Perry, but hey, bro, you better fuck up your car.
Dude, this car goes on.
You sure? No, that's not 85. That's 91 right there, bro. I'm trying to get something like to stay awake, bro. Red Bull? Monster or Red Bull? Which one?
Low-key Red Bull's not good, bro.
Oh yeah? There you go. You can take the little ones or the small ones.
What do I look like? I'm trying to die.
Oh, okay.
Which one?
Hey, which one's this one? Sugar free? No, I want the sugar one.
Free.
We're all dying today for sure.
Die.
We're done. Talking?
Huh?
Talking?
Modeling.
So you're gonna talk in, right?
Put on my damn.
Took him a while to get it, bro. He didn't get the joke. It took him a few seconds to it. He's like, oh.
Alright.
Hopefully talking in, bro. My viewers are waiting for you, bro. Oh, Perry, and you still look at you. Look at this man's. You're wearing a tank top, and you're still sweaty. I think you should see a doctor, buddy.
I think I'm dying.
Oh, that's good. Now you give me your car.
I'll die quieter, sorry. Hey.
Hey, give me your car, bro. I'll do the payment. I'll finish the payment, bro. But I'll still drive your car. Dude, that's dope.
I think there's Irvine, and then there's ones for specific cars like RS4 Club, you know.
Nice.
So today we actually.
How much? $5. He's a cop.
$5?
$5.
He's a cop.
You see it? $5. Go.
He's a cop.
You wanna go ask him?
Oh, tell him.
I said he's a cop.
Look.
$5. I go.
On the side, he's got the freaking flags. I'm telling you.
Maybe he's just the cop supporter.
No, there's a lot of cops. I'm just saying that's a cop right there, bro. The shades.
I mean, also most cops drive trucks.
Yeah.
I saw a cop, a detective that drives a Viper. I met one yesterday.
It's like ridiculous how much those cars cost new.
Oh yeah.
And Raptor's like 80 grand.
Do you see the wheels? And the rivets?
Oh yeah. I don't know if that's stock or not.
I bet you older than that. We're older than that kid, bro.
Too many BMWs in this area.
They can't park.
I'm just so
Bro, Perry's all concerned of how young all of them. Bro, it's just saving money, bro.
That's it. Someone take over my SI. I'm coming out with a paper.
So, you can have a clean SI, bro. Doesn't matter if you have to have a
Hey, I'm gonna park it right here. At least I'll be the lowest
I
one
told
here.
you to park it here. What
I will
did you say?
gladly
Go
be
park
the
it right
lowest
there. I'll park it for you.
No, I'm just kidding. My windshield's cracked, so don't do it.
So?
Alright, girl, I gotta go. Yeah, you know this ain't the old me. Try to keep it on the low, but we should probably just be homies. Yeah, I said I gotta go. Girl, don't act like you don't know me. I ain't tryna waste your time, so we should probably just be homies.
Fresh Fest is next month, October 20th, Fresh Fest. Link below, full of fresh upgrade. Buy your tickets, see you at the show. That boy films. Yeah, that's his car, bro.
I want
It's
to
tight.
focus.
There you go. And he makes videos too.
Shit is clean. I think nope. I thought it was the TRD edition, but it's not.
That's dope, bro.
Downforce, check them out.
My face feels different because I shaved. I just touched my chin, bro. There's no beard there. I'm like, it feels different, to be honest. Like,
It looks like a baby.
what the fuck you just said?
Don't worry, my beard's coming in.
Coming here like a package?
Yeah, this is Perry. This is Yoshi. This is Perry.
Hey man, Yoshi. Nice to meet you, bro.
He's DJ for Next, the group Next and all that. This is the man right here.
Yeah.
And there's the video cat.
Crazy.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it, bro. She's still getting there. Nothing too crazy.
I haven't done that yet.
Here.
I know Brain was gonna say that. I don't know how. I knew Boo was gonna be involved. I was about to say bikini. Hey, did he sign your bikini, bro?
He knows the art. We've known him since the car team. We were in the same car team.
Damn.
Years
It's a long time ago.
Oh,
Yeah, motorcycle. A tricycle. No, I mean tricycle. That's dope, bro. That's backstage passes, bro.
I just want to see the titties.
Who's titties? Bernie?
The white girl titties.
Hey, Perry. I got an idea, Perry. Come on. So, I was thinking, right? Let's go talk to some of the guys here.
A little bit further. Perfect.
Living like a race. Ain't no sign of stopping, no more pace. I can see them plotting, it ain't safe. She know that I got it on the way. Told her get up on my face. I need diamonds on my face. Only came for the baddies on the
Hey man, there's a thing called a brake on there. I hope you know that.
Yeah, I know.
Why don't you try using it?
on the fast track. Shorty want my heart, but I can never backtrack. I just wanna smash that, hit it, then I pass back. Shorty want my heart, but
What do you do for work? I'm in commercial real estate development.
See? Told you.
Okay, so at least we're on the right track with the photography.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Oh, what's your name, man?
Chris.
Yoshi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you guys. I know you do. How you doing? Sebastian? Yeah. I just found
Told you it's real estate,
Alright,
bro.
dude, we're heading in the right direction.
We're good. We are good.
We're heading in the right direction with photography and real estate. Good.
That's what almost everybody does here, bro.
Yeah. Okay, after this point, if I don't start doing that photography,
I'm gonna hit
I don't
up.
have my SI paid up in the year, shoot me.
I'll be glad, bro.
Just take me out back, shoot me, and finish the payback.
I got a lot of guns. We all shoot.
Alright,
I
even
told
better.
you, bro.
Just take me
I
out
go
back
to
and light
Bernie's
me up.
house, grab the Glock, and just pull up to you, bro.
I'm like, Yoshi, what are you doing here? Yoshi?
You just see the camera shaking. Bro.
I didn't make enough money.
I only got $1,000 left, come on.
Oh, man. That's funny.
no, this ain't the old me. Tryna keep it on the low.
We're thugs.
Damn it! Fucking hell.
Yeah, I said I got it close. Girl, don't act like you don't know me. I ain't tryna waste your time.
He's always right, he's got that advantage.
So we should probably just be
Chasing the race.
Oh, hell no, bro. Fuck no. Not here. Fuck. Why is there traffic today, bro?
I don't know.
Son? Oh, hell no. See, they're nice. She's cute though. Stop, bro. She's cute. I'll let her arrest me, bro. Sheesh. Hey. That sucks. I hope that's not my house. Alright. I'm driving the boat to the gas station or to the place. We can drive it to the gas station. Oh, yeah, baby. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end the video right here. If you haven't subscribed, pause this video and subscribe right now. If you haven't seen the other video for the Viper, when you're done with this video, just go click the video and watch it. I don't know why I'm stuttering, bro.
Hey, follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be all over here.
Where? I can't see it, bro.
All on his face, right? That sounded kind of good.
So you came out the closet?
No.
You just finally.
No, look. No, it's not like that. Look, just follow me on Instagram. That's it. You know, simple as that.
Oh yeah, he's gay. Don't worry about it.
A good time with the squad, so you know I got a Uber full of bitches.
Why are you sweating?
Because
Jesus.
it's hot.
But look, everyone, that's a Viper, right? And it's a Lambo. Everyone is on the Viper. What the fuck?
They're like a Lambo. All right, that's cool.
Say even the Lambo.
Even the Lambo.
Even the Lambo owner is on the Viper.
Yeah, get a close up of the Lambo.
And he's right there. Dude on the black shirt.
I'm taking pictures.
Of the Viper.
The Viper.
And the Lambo is right there. The Viper. Yo. Wow. I guess I'm getting a Viper, not a Lambo.
I know.